Have you ever wondered what happens when you type apt install in the terminal? So in this video, we will dive into the apt and see what it does behind the scenes. First, apt goes to the package and asks for its package database. Then it reads the database and checks for a package entry. If it finds an installed package and a newer version is available, it diverts to the upgrade process, otherwise it continues. During the upgrade process, apt compares the installed version with the version available in its cache. If both versions are the same, it just grabs a pillow and go back to sleep. If the cache contains a newer version, let's go back to the point where we took the diverted path. Because the cache stores all the metadata about a package, such as its versions, dependencies, patch data, and more. Then apt starts creating a dependency graph for all the packages required by the target package. Once the graph is ready, it rushes towards the sources list. You will rush to a mall after hearing that there is a 90% discount on the RTX 9050. The sources list contains the links to the server that hosts these files. apt attach those links to every node in dependency graph and start downloading the required packages into variable cache apt archives location. Once the downloads are complete, apt wakes up the D package and says the ingredients are ready. Then apt passes those dependencies, one by one in the correct order, making sure that nothing conflicts with anything. D package extracts the files and installs them into locations defined by the package, such as shared data in user share and executable binaries in user bin. This process ensures that the package is installed system-wide and can be accessed from anywhere. Finally, once all the processes have reached their destinations, apt updates the manual and depackaged database. Thanks for watching.